Hi guys, this is Carol coming with another spring decor DIY challenge hosted by the DIY mommy. And today I'm gonna show my decor, what I did. This wall was full of glasses for like 2 years. Now I have a whole um small mirrors, different types. And I decided to use the painting and stuff that I have to make this wall over my couch like that. And I think it's great. And I didn't do inside of my thing yet, but I do two flowers. Sorry guys, I'm going too fast. Two flowers in the bouquets I made myself. And this stand here I have a little bit of thing on my stereo. So this is what I'm gonna be doing, guys. You should go to DIY mommy. She have a great channel. I've been watching her for a couple of years and I love all her stuff. So I think she have a playlist, so you guys could go check out all the beautiful people who is taking part in the challenge. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.